If your 2005 Ford Ranger refuses to crank, don't panic. Let's walk through the exact steps to find the culprit. About 80% of no-start issues on this Ranger platform trace back to simple electrical connections rather than major engine failure. We need to systematically isolate the problem before you spend a dime on new parts. Start by disconnecting your battery, cleaning the terminals, and checking that the main chassis ground strap is tight and corrosion-free. Once power is verified, check your battery voltage, listen for the starter relay to click, or try shifting to neutral to test the safety switch. If the starter spins but the engine won't fire, you might be looking at a failed fuel pump or an ignition switch issue. Simple tasks like cleaning terminals can often fix the issue immediately, but internal starter or fuel pump failures usually require a shop's help. As you can see, the cost ramps up significantly if you move from simple electrical maintenance to replacing the starter or fuel pump. If you're still stuck, use a multimeter to check for voltage drop or scan the computer for any hidden error codes. Keep these basic tools in your kit, especially that wire brush for terminals, which is the most common fix for this vehicle. Whatever you do, always prioritize safety and never crawl under a vehicle that isn't supported by proper jack stands. If this guide helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe for more Ranger troubleshooting tips.